Choosing the right tech stack for your MVP is one of the most important strategic decisions you'll make. The tech stack, the combination of programming languages, frameworks, and tools, determines how fast you can build, how easily you can scale, and how efficiently you can maintain your product. The goal isn't to pick the most advanced technology, it's to pick the one that fits your needs, resources, and timeline. When selecting a tech stack, start with your core priorities: speed, cost, and scalability. In the MVP stage, speed often comes first. You want to launch quickly, gather feedback, and iterate fast. That means choosing technologies your team already knows well, or ones that have large supportive communities and ready-to-use solutions. Let's break it down into layers. First is the front end, the part of your app users interact with. For web applications, popular options include React, Vue, JS, and Angular. React is great for flexibility and component-based design, Vue is lightweight and beginner-friendly, and Angular is a strong choice for large structured projects. If you're building a mobile app, consider React Native or Flutter. Both allow you to build for iOS and Android from a single codebase, saving time and cost. Next is the backend, which powers your app's logic, data, and integrations. Common languages include Node.js, Python, Django or Flask, Ruby on Rails, and Go. Node.js is excellent for real-time applications like chat or collaboration tools. Python is loved for its simplicity and strong ecosystem. Ruby on Rails is known for rapid prototyping, while Go offers speed and scalability for more demanding systems. For your database, the choice depends on your data structure. PostgreSQL and MySQL are reliable relational databases, great for structured data. If your MVP needs flexibility, say for user-generated content or rapidly changing schemas, MongoDB or Firebase might be better fits. They handle unstructured data efficiently and scale easily. Don't forget your hosting and deployment options. Services like AWS, Google Cloud Platform, and Microsoft Azure offer powerful infrastructure, but they can be complex for early-stage teams. Simpler options like Vercel, Netlify, or Heroku are ideal for MVPs. They handle deployment, scaling, and monitoring with minimal setup. If you're testing mobile apps, Firebase is a strong choice since it combines hosting, database, and analytics in one platform. For MVPs, it's usually best to prioritize developer productivity over performance optimization. Early on, your biggest challenge isn't server load, it's finding product-market fit. Focus on building fast, learning fast, and improving based on real user feedback. When choosing a stack, consider your team's expertise. A tech stack is only as strong as the people using it. If your developers are comfortable with JavaScript, a Node. JS backend and React frontend might be ideal. If they're experienced in Python, Django could get you to market faster. Avoid trendy technologies your team hasn't mastered. It often slows you down instead of speeding you up. Also, think about community and support. Popular technologies have robust ecosystems with tutorials, plugins, and troubleshooting forums. This saves time when you hit inevitable roadblocks. A smaller community might leave you stuck longer. Another key factor is integration. Your MVP will likely rely on third-party APIs for payments, analytics, or authentication. Choose technologies that play well with those tools. For example, Stripe, Auth0, and Firebase integrate seamlessly with most modern stacks. For non-technical founders, no-code or low-code tools can be a great starting point. Platforms like Bubble, Webflow, or Adalo let you build functional MVPs without writing code. These are perfect for testing your idea and validating demand before investing in a full development team. Finally, remember that your MVP's tech stack isn't permanent. It's a starting point. Many successful startups rebuild their product later with more advanced technology once they've validated the concept. Your initial goal is learning, not perfection. So, when choosing your tech stack, aim for speed, familiarity, and flexibility. Pick tools that let you focus on building value, not fighting with code. Because in the MVP stage, the right stack isn't the flashiest one. It's the one that gets your product into users' hands the fastest.